Is the Camon 30s Pro a serious contender in the mid-range market, or should we just stick to the likes of the Galaxy A24 or the Redmi Note 13 Pro? Plus, how well does this stack up to the A25 Exynos chip and the Redmi's well-known build quality? Let's see if Tecno's latest device can give these big brands a run for their money. When you first unbox the Camon 30s Pro, the first thing you see is the device itself. Next, you find a protective case which fits seamlessly with this phone. The case design blends well with its sleek profile. The box also includes a 45-watt fast charger, a tempered glass screen protector, and a 25-watt MagSafe charger for the price of $241 or 387,000 naira. For the design and build quality, the first thing I notice is how good the Camon 30s Pro looks. The smooth design feels high quality. The big round camera on the back makes it look modern. The writing on the phone, like OIS and IMX, implies the camera is powerful. And the way everything is put together makes the phone both useful and nice to look at. The device features a shiny plastic finish which feels smooth to touch and provides durability without the weight of a glass. The camera bump design is bold, featuring a triple camera system housed in a circular layout. However, only one camera is functional, while the others are purely for aesthetics. For comparison, the Samsung Galaxy A24 is made of plastic. The Redmi 13 Pro uses Glastic, a more premium material which combines glass and plastic. The Camon 30s Pro, with its plastic finish, doesn't feel as premium as Glastic on the Redmi 13 Pro, but still holds its own against many competition. There's a red dot at the back of the device. Tecno calls it the action dot. It has multiple functions. It lights up when you're recording a video, helping you to easily see when you're capturing the footage. It also blinks for incoming calls and lets you know when you're charging your device. For the display, the Camon 30s Pro comes with a curved 6.78-inch AMOLED display that delivers sharp and vibrant visuals. It boasts an impressive 1300 nits of brightness, which ensures visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. The display supports 120Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth and fluid user experience, particularly during scrolling and gaming. It also has dynamic switching capabilities, which automatically adjusts the refresh rate between 60, 90Hz and 120Hz, depending on the activity you are carrying out on this device. This can be very useful because it will help you save battery over time. For audio, the Camon 30s supports Dolby Atmos sound, which gives you amazing sound quality. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, it delivers rich, immersive audio. The dual stereo speakers also contribute to better media consumption, making the audio clearer and more powerful compared to standard phones. For software, the Camon 30s Pro runs on iOS 14, which introduces several exciting updates. You get the enhanced voice assistant Ella, now more effective in handling research, business proposals, tasks, basic stuff you find on high-end devices. You also get Object Eraser, which helps you take error or mistakes off your photo. For software updates, Tecno promises 2 years of software updates, which include both operating system updates and security patches. While these commitments add value to this device, keep in mind that the competition gives 3 to 5 years software updates and security patches. For example, the Galaxy A24 offers 3 years security patches and updates. This gives the A24 an edge for long-term software support. For processor, the Camon 30s Pro is equipped with the MediaTek Helio G100, a solid processor for mid-range performance. On Antutu benchmark scores, it scores 437,000, placing it comfortably in the mid-range tier category. In comparison to the Camon 30 Pro, which is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200, which has a score of 926,000 on Antutu benchmark. For users seeking higher performance in demanding applications or gaming, the Camon 30 Pro will sure be a better choice. For gaming, despite the mid-range status of the Camon 30s Pro, it still performs well. It can run Call of Duty Warzone Mobile on very low graphics settings with high frame rates, offering you a smooth experience, but most mid-range devices provide better settings. For the regular Call of Duty Mobile, it runs on HD graphics setting with high frame rates. And for PUBG, it runs on medium settings with high frame rates. But overall, this device plays games with good graphics and it doesn't lag. In terms of overheating, the device may experience a slight overheating during extended gaming sessions, but it's nothing alarming. For the battery, the Camon 30s Pro is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, which can last you a full day. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or playing games, you can expect that this battery will keep up with your needs. The device also supports 45 watts fast charging, which can allow you fully charge this device from 0 to 100 in 45 minutes. You also get a 20 watt MagSafe charger that can charge this device from 0 to 80% in 60 minutes. There's an AI charging mode that helps you protect your battery. It stops your phone from charging once it gets to 80%. This can help your battery health get better. This feature is especially found in iPhone and Samsung devices. Now let's talk about the camera. The Camon 30s Pro boasts a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor, the same high quality sensor found in the Camon 30 Pro. This sensor is renowned for its sharpness, color accuracy, and overall image clarity, making it a key selling point for both devices. But after my time of using this device, I can say it's not perfect, it still needs some tweaking. For photography, in good lighting condition, the camera performs well, capturing details with vibrant photos. The AI picture enhancement feature helps you improve photo quality, though it's not the best in its class. The main camera is good with day-night shots, but it struggles a little with low light conditions compared to high-end devices like the Camon 30 Pro. The selfie camera is also impressive with its 50 megapixel sensor, producing sharp and clear images, but the result can be compared to devices like the A25 and the A35. But overall, this device delivers for the price range. For video performance, this device excels a little bit. It can go up to 2K video recording at 30 frames per second, both the rear and the selfie camera. It also includes an ultra steady mode, ensuring smooth and stable video captured at 2K resolution. One thing to note is that most devices within this price range can shoot 4K at 30 FPS. As usual, before I give my conclusion, let's do some pros and cons. Pro number 1. Good chipset, G100 processor. It's quite good for the price point, has an Antutu benchmark score of 400k. It's not bad. Pro number 2, amazing battery, 5000 mAh, 45 watts charger, 20 watt MagSafe charger, although I don't know what I'm going to do with the MagSafe charger. But overall, good battery, good charging speed. Pro number 3, some AI features. Ella, nice voice assistant with ChatGPT 3.5 and background image eraser, which is not bad. Con number 1, limited software updates. A phone priced at $241, I feel like we should get 3 or 4 years software updates. But for the price point, I don't know. Con number 2, the device heats up a little bit while you're gaming or using the camera, which is quite weird, but it's not abnormal for a phone on this price point. And my final con, the camera. I actually thought the camera would be as good as the Camon 30 Pro, but to my surprise, it's not. But then again, there's a price difference in the two. But I expected this because of the Sony chipset it uses. But anyways, for my conclusion on this device, I can say it's a great device for the price point. Battery, AI features, camera, what else? Basically, it has a lot to sell. Even with the charging speed and everything, it's something to look out for. But is it as good as competition? I would say no. The Galaxy A25 will hit this out of the park. It has a better screen. It doesn't have fast charging, doesn't have MagSafe charging, but it has 5G. It has a better camera, and you get 3 to 4 years software updates, which is great. Same thing for Redmi Note 13 Pro. It has a better design, has a better build. I think you can get 2 to 3 years software updates, and has a better resale value. So if you ask me within this budget if you should go for this device, I would say no. Use that money and get a Redmi or a Samsung. Anyways, that's all for me, and this is my review on the Camon 30s. Let me know what you think about it, and let's have a conversation in the comments. So I'll see you guys in the next one.